Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you for being part of my YouTube family. And for the non-subscribers, subscribe and join the fun. I have enough Christmas decorations now. I need to work on winter decor. So the first thing I will do is take this. And when I think of winter, I think of white, bling, tad bit of blue, and nature. So I will take this and antique wax everything but the snowflake, which I will paint white. Just want to show you again how when I use antique wax, I don't really paint it. I'm trying to get that stain look, so I use these cosmetic wedges you get at the Dollar Tree, and I just rub it on because I don't want it. If I paint it on, it's going to be way too dark, so I just want to get that stain look. Now that my antique wax and paint is dry, I will throw some faux snow on there that I tinted blue. If you missed my one of my videos where I tinted the snow, all I did was mix a small amount of alcohol with 1 drop of food color and mixed it in the faux snow and let it dry. The alcohol will evaporate. So Mod Podge on this and throw a little faux snow on there and that project will be done. I love how this came out. I think I did put a tad too much blue in there, but I'm loving this. Okay, on to the next craft. Oh my goodness, you're not going to believe what happened here. This is actually the orange Mercury glass, like this picture. And what I did is I painted this black, and when I went to take the black paint off, it took the orange paint. I was going to do something different with this, but after this came out like this, I love it, love it, love it, just like this. Next year, I'm going to stock up on these things. All I will do to this is add some ribbon, some pine cones, a little bit of berries, and a candle, and call it good. That craft is way too easy. Not sure if you can tell, but I did add some silver paint and threw some sparkles on there. And one more thing I just want you to know, be careful of this stuff in here. I did soak mine in hot water and it came up, so told me it's foil. So just be careful when you're trying to get the orange paint off on the outside. But I'm loving this. Can't wait to see what it looks like at night. Okay, on to the next craft. For this next craft, you need one of these. You can easily recreate one of these just by gluing 4 picture frames together. This actually is a canvas frame, and the inside part came from a 5x7 canvas. So as you can see, I just kind of wood glued it in there, and I cut this one too short. Pretty simple. And something from nature. And I'm going to hot glue that down right there. And this tree just is like the perfect fit. If I smash it in there, it's not going to go anywhere. So I'll leave it like that. And then I will attach some twine to my pine cone and hang them up there. And some twine on my balls that I will just hang from the branch. And a few snowflakes on this side. And that project will be done. Now, how cute is that? I just added a jute bow to the pine cone, but it looks wintry and outdoorsy. Okay, on to the next craft. This is so easy for a winter scene. Just paint some branches, throw them in a vase, add some candles and some embellishments, and they came out really cute. It's kind of hard to see with everything in the background. Okay, on to the next craft now. This wreath from the Dollar Tree needs a lot of help. The first thing I will do is take some of my foliage and some Mod Podge on my leaves and sprinkle a tad bit of silver. Not too much, just want to give it that frosted look. And on the pine cone, I will throw some silver paint on there and some silver glitter, mainly on the tips. Attach your foliage to the wreath. I did cut down this willow for this part, and now I will attach my tree right there. Some pine cones down here. Not sure how it's going to go yet. This pine cone with the silver on it, I will throw right here with a couple ornaments, and then we'll make a pretty wreath for it. After much consideration, I decided I did not like the white tree on there, and I actually was going to put some Mod Podge on the ribbon with some silver sparkle, but I like it just like this. Okay, until next time, take care of yourself and one another, and I wish you a very Merry Christmas.